Hello and welcome to Beat Sessions. Today we're going to be installing Fruity Loops. It's quite a simple process. I provided a link down below, as you can see, where you can download the latest version of Fruity Loops. Quite a simple process. We'll direct you straight to the Fruity Loops official website. We have 3 choices of mirrors downloads that you can choose from. We'll just go with the first one. The download will take probably up to 5 to 10 minutes, nothing too long. After you've downloaded the file, as in my previous video, make sure that you have software to unzip this. Once the file's been installed and you've unzipped it, this will take up to 10 to 20 minutes, as there's quite a lot of sounds, plugins, once that's finished, it's quite a simple process. On the wizard, you just click finish. You should restart your computer. I'm not going to this time, as I'm just showing you an example. And there you have it. I would show you how to get the full version, but that's not my game. I won't promote that. But it's easily found, as you know. This is the demo version of the latest version. And that's how you install Fruity Loops. Thanks very much.